Hi everyone, I thought I'd jump on here and show you how I did the felled seams for the Hanbok wrap skirt. What I did was right sides together of the panels. You move one over 3/8 and then you lay the other one right side facing right side and you sew a seam 3/8 over from that. So you're going to have 3/8 over here, 3/8 together, and then you sew that seam 3/8 inches over. So then once it's sewn, you fold this longer one over and then over again, and you're going to have this separate, so it's only going to be laying one side. It's not going to be doubled over like this, just like you separate that. So you're only sewing on one panel. So you sew that down on this edge here, and I've already done that on the other panel. And I should have used gray thread here. I did change to gray, and the bobbin is in gray. So now on the, see, this is the wrong side, so this is the right side. So it does look really nice. It's a nice seam. So that'll be the outside of the skirt. It would be reversible, but I don't know how this would look showing on the outside. It wouldn't look right, I don't think. So you just do the two seams in a felled seam, which is really, it really looks really nice on the outside. And then that's the part of the skirt. And then I've done the ties already. I did them in 2 different colors. I'm going to make the waistband in this blue color. It's almost like a thick denim. And then the other ties in the matching gray. So we'll have 2 different color ties to give it a better look. So I just thought I'd jump on here and show you how to do the felled hems or seams on the Hanbok skirt. And if you want a free tutorial on YouTube, it's Sewing Therapy, and her name is Sara, and she has that's where I got this pattern, but she has a whole tutorial on doing the Hanbok skirt, and then you just buy the pattern from her.